Greetings and welcome back to my channel for yet another video. And as you can see in the title, Fani Willis denied and court date set. Now what you saw earlier was a live that is going on right now. So let me put this up really quickly, which is the Fair Use Act disclaimer. And Fani Willis is feeling as though she is above the law, in my opinion. So let's get to the meat and potatoes. Fani Willis, Madam DA of Fulton County, denied. Now, what do you mean by denied? Well, a judge denies Fulton DA's request to evade subpoenas from Georgia lawmakers over election indictment, and that has Fani Willis in what appears to be a stupor. So what basically happened was, and this occurred today, Wednesday, February the 26th, 2025, which many people actually anticipated happening, but it did. So to reiterate, a judge has denied Fani Willis's efforts to evade subpoenas issued by Georgia lawmakers. Willis has said, according to Atlanta News First, that as an elected official, lawmakers don't have the power to subpoena her. I'll run that back. Willis has said, as an elected official, lawmakers don't have the power to subpoena her. So, in a motion to quash the subpoenas, Willis argued vehemently that the Senate Special Committee on Investigations that issued the subpoenas did not exist because the new Georgia General Assembly was sworn back in January. So here's just a quick snippet of the motion. It's just a 2-pager. And as you can see, so ordered, the 25th day of February, the motion was denied. So it appears it's going to be back to the drawing board for Madam DA of Fulton County, Fani Willis. And next up, she has another issue brewing, and that is from Political Watch Group, Judicial Watch. Now, for those of you that have been following this debacle for the longest time, she was ordered to pay them over $20,000, and Judicial Watch announced today, again, today is Wednesday, February 26, 2025, that a hearing will be held on Friday, the last day of the month, February 28, 2025, at 4:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time before Judge Robert McBurney of the Superior Court in Fulton County on a motion for in-camera or private inspection and appointment of a special master to oversee Fani Willis's search for records of communications with Special Counsel, and his name continues to come up and probably will, Jack Smith, and the House Jan 6 Committee. The hearing notice states, and I quote, "The courtroom will be open to the parties and the public, but the parties are free to participate remotely," and there is a link to view the hearing, so you can find that on Judicial Watch. And I'm sure a lot of people will be interested in that. Again, that hearing is going to be held this Friday at 4:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, Judicial Watch, as I mentioned, filed a lawsuit last March 2024 after Willis falsely denied having any records responsive to Judicial Watch's earlier Georgia Open Records Act. And that is what set Judicial Watch on fire.
What you talking about, Wilis?
And they weren't having it. So they filed a lawsuit. And on December 20th, which resulted in an order that found Wilis liable for fees and expenses that needed to be paid within 2 weeks. The court awarded Judicial Watch $21,578. So again, Fani Willis's motion was denied, and there is a court date set for this Friday, February 28th, 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link for that, you can go to Judicial Watch's webpage and click on that little link. So if you like this video and any other videos, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and your thoughts on what shall become of Fulton County's District Attorney Fani Willis. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and prayerfully everyone has had an amazing, peaceful, and safe Wednesday. Perhaps it is Thursday, depending upon where you are on the globe. In closing, please, please, please be safe, be well, and you know the rest. Be healthier. Until next video, bye-bye for now.